Good morning. Under Section 125 CRPC, the long dispute about the entitlement of wife is being disputed, stating that there was no solemnization of marriage. Initially, the courts used to say that there must be a solemnization of marriage, but later on, due to social transformation, the courts started to hold that it's not compulsorily necessary. In Kamala versus another versus M.R. Mohan Kumar 2018 for Crimes 382 Supreme Court, the court has held that strict proof of marriage is not required for claiming maintenance section 125 because under section 494 IPC the proof of marriage is must but not in the case of 125 CRPC. They have also referred Dwarika Prasad Satpathy versus Vidyut Prava Dikshit 1999 3 Crimes SC 206 and also decided Shamuniya versus Virendra Kumar Singh Kushwaha 2011 1 SCC 141. They also held that Pratima Das alias Arti Das versus Subudh Das 2018 6 Supreme Court 57. They said that the family court order directing to pay monthly maintenance to the wife on the basis of DNA test by Supreme Court itself. They have set aside the High Court order because the Supreme Court itself has ordered for DNA test. On receipt of DNA test, maintenance was ordered. Then for quantum of maintenance, Rima Salkhan versus Sumer Singh Salkhan case, by considering the meager amount of maintenance 9,000 is not sufficient, the income of the respondent husband was assessed and the Supreme Court has directed 25,000 because it's not necessary that at the time of granting maintenance the income of the husband should be calculated. It should also be taken into consideration about the earlier income and outstanding income in foreign countries. The time and again, the Supreme Court, initially what had happened when multi-number of bigamy cases were reported to the courts are very hard in implementing the bigamy convictions because they used to say that solemnization of marriage should be there. If the second wife marriage is not duly solemnized, they may be considered as concubine. But this leads the husbands to take advantage of second marriage and simply taking stand that they did not marry the second wife. That gap facilitates the lot of husbands to marry second time and to escape from the clutches of law. Therefore, even living as an husband and wife with some other woman when spouse was living should be legally taken into consideration and the conviction should be there so that this menace of the society may be prevented. Best wishes.